Jai Hind everyone. In this video we will learn how to schedule a meeting for Google Meet through Google Calendar, which is available in our mobile by default. We will also learn how to create link, how to send link through email, how to send link through WhatsApp and on WhatsApp. And before that I want to tell you that there is no time limit in Google Meet. You can continue your meeting as long as you want. Okay, so now let's start. I will open Google Meet. I have downloaded in my mobile. Now as you will switch it on, your camera will be automatically on. Now it's time to set the account first. So click on this hamburger icon and click on this arrow and set the account. So I have set my account. Okay, now it is set. Now you can see that three options are coming: new meeting, meeting code, swipe up to see your meeting. These three options are visible here. What you have to do, if you want new meeting, then you will click on the plus sign. If you want meeting to join from a code, then you will click on the meeting code. And if you want to see is there any scheduled meeting in your list or not, then you will swipe it up and see there is a meeting in as I have scheduled. Okay, now I am doing it refresh, so I'll leave it. Now close it as the account setting in Google Meet is done. Now we will open Google Calendar. It is available by default as I told. See, this page has come. Again it's time to set the account. Open this hamburger icon. This page is there how you can set your account. See, my email ID is coming, which I have set in Google Meet. Okay, now click on the plus sign. Three options you will see: goal, reminder and event. So I will click on event as I have to schedule a meeting. I don't have to set any reminder and goal right now. So click. Now it's time to set the title of your meeting. Computer department. This is the name of the meeting. So now it's time to set the timing. August 4 I want. Okay, so this is done and I'll click on OK. And till 1 hour I want, so it is already set on August 4. The timing is 2:30 to 3:30. You can set also whatever you want. Okay, 2:30 p.m. and a.m. also you can select. Now if you want to add location, you can add location. See, 30 minutes before it will alarm you as I have set, and this is coming by default also. Now it's time to invite people to whom you want to send the meeting schedule. So click on invite. Only through email ID you can invite. So I am typing the name and all the whichever person I want I will set. Okay, now this is done. Click on done. I have put the email ID of one person only. Now you will see that video call option should be there on your screen. If it is not on, you will switch it on. Okay, now it's time to set the color of your scheduled meeting, the poster, the banners color. So I'll click on that option and I will choose a tangerine color. Okay, the orange one. You can see this will only come there. Now you just click on the save button and your meeting is saved. Now you can see the reminder has come to me. This orange, it is visible in orange color on the top. 4th August, computer department, 2:30 to 3:30. Right, it is done. Now what you have to do, as you have scheduling is done, now you have to check whether it is showing in Google Meet or not. Okay, so now invitation is done, everything is done. You must have seen when the meeting was scheduled, it was coming on my screen that invitation will be sent to Google Calendar guest. Whoever you have invited, they will get the notification through Google Mail, through mail. Okay, now see the orange color has come. Now close it and again. Okay, now go to Google Meet again. See, you can see this option is coming on your screen, computer department meeting. Now how to share the link? You click here and you can see share option is coming. So you can select the code and you can copy also, and then you can paste in WhatsApp. This is how you can paste also, but the other way is also there. Open the Google Meet, click on the share option directly and the options will be available. through WhatsApp. If you want to send, click and send through WhatsApp. Wait for a second. See, meeting URL is ready. So this is how you can share your video link on the WhatsApp, meeting link on the WhatsApp.